Are you tired of endless diets and workouts that just don't work? Many people struggle with weight loss, feeling frustrated and overwhelmed by the lack of results. It can be disheartening when you put in all that effort and see little to no change in your body. DIY methods and trendy alternatives often fall short. They can be complicated, time-consuming, and don't always deliver the promised outcomes. It's no wonder so many are searching for a simpler, more effective solution. Enter Leptozan. This unique supplement supports your weight loss journey by promoting healthy metabolism and energy levels. What sets Leptozan apart is its blend of natural ingredients designed to work together, making it easier for you to achieve your goals without the hassle of complicated routines. In fact, studies have shown that key ingredients in Leptozan can help enhance fat burning